If we're really going to galvanize innovation within the manufacturing space in states like Wisconsin, the way we do that is by driving the innovation for them, adding 5G spectrum. Now you're getting to the point where connectivity is reacting faster than the human mind can react. You are essentially enabling new use cases that were only conceptual in the past.
The state of Wisconsin has approximately 9,000 manufacturing companies. The manufacturing test bed at CSI, it's a high throughput manufacturing system that we can use to demonstrate where can technology and 5G connectivity be applied in that manufacturing setting so that their business is performing better.
If you're a small manufacturer and you're looking to deploy high-definition cameras for safety applications, for instance, latency is very, very critical. In a Wi-Fi environment, latency is going to average between 30 to maybe 80 milliseconds. Once you get into the 5G space, that latency goes down to around 10 milliseconds. Think of 5G as being a foundational element to enabling all of those types of concepts of becoming a reality.
Getting manufacturers up to that next level, utilizing technology, is the best thing we can do. It gets us more competitive here locally, and it allows for us to do more with less.
These are the sort of things that make a huge impact on sustainability and the cost of manufacturing and competitiveness. 5G is an instrumental part of that.